Hey folks, Colin here from Sumthins Recording, and today I want to show you how to add low end to your kick drum using the tone generator in Studio One. We're going to be looking at beefing up your kick drum with the tone generator today, but before we dive in, if you are looking to dial in a repeatable workflow for getting professional sounding drum mixes, then I want you to go through my 3-step framework for mixing drums workshop. This workshop is going to walk you through the 3-step process that I use on almost every single one of my mixes to get professional sounding drum mixes right from your home studio. It is a 100% free to watch, on-demand video training, and you can get access to that by clicking the link below in the video description. Now let's jump in here and take a listen to this track. So we're going to start, I'm going to play you what the drums sound like in the entire track, and then we'll hone in on just the drums themselves so you can get a better idea of what our kick drum is currently sounding like. So here's our finished mix for this track.
I can't take anymore. Baby, I'm all the way yours. I'm holding it in. I'm holding out for your word. Just give me the word.
So you can hear we've got a good sounding mix, a good sounding drum kit, but our kick drum is running 4 on the floor here, so every quarter note running through the song, and I want it to have some extra weight to it. I want it to have some more low end so it feels powerful and it feels bigger across the track. It has some good low end power to it right now, and it has some nice top end attack, but I want to add some extra weight underneath that'll consistently pump along with our kick drum. And the way we're going to do that is by using a tone generator. So before we jump into that, I want to give you an idea of what our kick drum sounds like by itself. So here's just our soloed kick drum. This is our kick in and kick out mic. So you can hear a good sounding kick drum. We're just going to add some consistent low end weight that'll run right through the track with it and pump on all those quarter notes. What we're going to do, we're going to add a bus channel here. We'll call it kick low. It's just going to be some low end for our kick drum. We'll color it white, send it into our drum bus here, and then I'm going to put a tone generator on. Where are we at here? I just looked at it. There it is, tone generator. And we'll get a good sound coming from our tone generator here first. So all we're going to do is we're going to tune the frequency and maybe mess with the length a little bit. But we're just going to get a good tone, a good low tone coming from the tone generator here. That's not bad right there. Oh, you can see it didn't turn off. That's not bad right there. I might go lower. I might go somewhere around 44. 44 sounded good too. We'll just have to see how these blend with the kick drum. But from 73, that sounds good there. We might dip down to 44, but those are both sounding pretty good to me. What we're going to do next is we're going to put a gate on. I cannot find plugins today. We're going to throw our gate on. And we're going to make it pretty fast here. We'll mess with the release a little bit as well, but we're going to sidechain it from our kick level here. So our kick level is going to send into this, and it will gate along with our kick drum so our tone generator can turn on and off with our kick drum here. So you can kind of set your release here. Oh, let me turn that off for the moment. You can kind of set your release here to tighten up your kick drum and set it where you want it. So you can hear as much of the tone generator after your kick drum as you want, or you can set it right in time with your kick drum here. So we're gonna keep messing with it, keep tweaking it, see if we can get it where we want it. And then maybe I'll turn down the tone generator an octave or so as well. I don't know if I'm digging the the lower one there down at 44. That was really low. It might be too low for this track. So we're gonna head back up towards 73 here and see what we can get.
Just give me the word, can't take anymore.
That's starting to feel really good. So I switched off the ducking, so the gate's working the opposite way. It's letting it come through instead of pushing it down consistently. So that way, when we turn things off here, you can see I don't have to turn off the tone generator anymore. I always forget about the ducking setting here on the gate. But that's looking pretty good. We use the combination of the hold and the release here to tighten up the sound we're getting from the tone generator so it's working in time with our kick drum. So let's pull this down now, and we're going to mix it in here with our original kick sound. But I'm going to do it inside the drums this time. Hear what we're getting there now when I turn on and off the kick low mic here, or the kick low track? Take a listen one more time without it, and then I'll kick it in. Sounding pretty good there. So let's throw it inside the entire track here. See if we need to pull it up more. We can set it right where we want it to get that extra sub information, get that extra low end inside the track. Right there at 10 dB down, we're getting that extra boost of that 70 hertz to help beef up our kick drum and make it feel powerful on all these quarter notes. All we're doing here, we're side chaining this tone generator with our kick drum, and it can take a little bit of finagling to find the right frequency that you want. You could set it in tune with the track if you wanted to as well, finding keys to frequencies and all that mess. And then it can take a little messing with on your gate, using your ducking settings, your threshold and your range, and then just tweaking your hold and your release time to set it to move right in time with your kick drum, and you'll be able to pull it up underneath to add that extra low end punch. I hope that was helpful for you. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you're ready to take your drum mixes to the next level and really start dialing in a repeatable workflow for cranking out professional sounding drum mixes, then I want you to go through my 3-step framework for Mixing Drums Workshop. It is a completely free workshop, and you can get access to it by clicking the link below in the video description. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.